Are you looking for an easy way to create professional signatures in minutes? With Sigsync Editor, you can easily create a signature, all without any HTML knowledge. Sigsync centralized web-based editor makes it easy to manage your entire team with a single signature template. Create a signature template from scratch or select templates from the Sigsync gallery. We have hundreds of ready-to-use professional templates, including dark mode templates. Edit and customize your signature to make it truly yours. Enhance your email signature with Sigsync's easy-to-use drag-and-drop components. Select from a variety of options including images, social media icons, AD fields, QR code, vCard, analytics, and CSAT to make your signature stand out. Changing the signature for your entire company is easier than before. Create dynamic signatures by using the Active Directory AD fields, which automatically change based on the sender details stored on the Active Directory, fields like first name, given name, job title, department, etc. It's that simple. Never miss a branded signature. Set your favorite font color, style, and text from the signature properties. Add social media icons, images, banners, and ensure that your signature is always up to date and looking its best. Sigsync enables you to generate a QR code. You can directly insert the AD placeholders, custom AD fields, and message properties into the text field area based on your QR code requirement. Add graphical banner to your signature. Give a boost to your marketing campaigns and then tailor them for each occasion by adding eye-catchy banners. Nevertheless, you can easily include a suitable legal disclaimer in your email signature. Want to track how your signature is performing in real time? No problem. Add Google Analytics and one-click surveys like Thermometer, SimpleSat to your signature and request feedback from your customers with just a few clicks. Get valuable insights and improve your signature's performance with Sigsync. Get the most out of your marketing campaigns with Sigsync. Schedule your signature for product launches, events, and holidays and make your campaigns a huge success. Want to see how your signature looks? Here's an easy solution. With the signature preview area, you can instantly preview any changes you make and tweak it until it's picture perfect. Tired of manually checking your signature to make sure it's up to date? With Sigsync Signature Tester, you can test your signature in real time based on the rules and conditions you have set without actually sending the mail to the recipient. With the Editor toolbar option, you can create, import, and load signature templates. Need help or want to learn more? Our how-to section has videos for every step to help you create your signatures in no time. Try Sigsync for free today.